2.4 Graphical Misrepresentations of Data. Objectives. Describe what can make a graph misleading or deceptive. So what is the difference between a graph that is misleading and a graph that is deceiving? Misleading is unintentionally creates an incorrect impression. Deceiving purposely creates an incorrect impression. List the most common misrepresentations of data. That could be the scale of the graph, an inconsistent scale, or a misplaced origin. So what's wrong with these graphs? Okay, what I'm noticing right away, we have July through August and the other months. This is 2 months and that's 10 months. So first, the scales are not correct. And then down here, I'm noticing percent. These are in percents. These are decimal. So that is off as well. B, misplaced origin. Okay, it starts off at 33. We need to start off at 0. This distorts the scale. When you don't start at 0, this looks like a large difference. If you would have graphed it starting at 0, like you should have, or they should have, this difference would not appear so large. So, distorted scale. C, I would say distorted scale as well, because again, we're starting at 30,000. D, how we flush a public toilet. Okay, first I'm noticing they don't add up to 100%. What does this even mean? So a simple bar graph would have worked. Or you could have used, they could have used some scale. I mean, it's just kind of all over the place. E, soccer participation. I mean, are we talking about a real soccer ball here? And then are we talking about like one of those big inflatable ones? In 1991, that's what we played with. And now in 2009, that's what we play with. So you can see that, what does this mean? So the size is misleading. Labels would have been helpful. Maybe not actually using soccer balls. And then this pie chart. They could have included percents. Not do the 3D because it tends to overstate significance. So while 3D pie charts look appealing, they should be avoided because of this overstatement of significance. So now that you know that, going forward in any of your careers, Don't use 3D. If you do, that means you are not misleading, but you are intentionally deceiving your audience. All right, that ends this lesson. If you have any questions, please email me or post to the discussion board.